Yeah, you're looking at my version of the Chance-Vought Cutlass F7U Navy carrier, also known as the Ensign Eliminator or the Cutlass. It was grossly underpowered. It was a beautiful machine for its time, but it was too far ahead of its time in design and too far behind in engine engineering. Just didn't have the power. Trying to follow suit, I have I have not really overpowered this thing. Still flies better than the original, but it's not overpowered by any means. The video you're going to see is fairly short. It actually had some radio interference, and I'm thinking it was caused by the fact that I had a half a dozen binding plugs taped to the side of my antenna, which probably reduced the range considerably. But even so, it came down okay without much of a problem. And my video hat, another excuse here, is not adjusted properly. It's aiming a little too low, so I've missed a lot of the high stuff. Anyway, for what it's worth, this is just a short video, a proof of flight. Thanks for watching.